Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boys Frogan Reactions here, back with another video.
Yep.
We are going to be reviewing the iPad Pro Thin Edition.
Yeah, he's calling it Thin Edition because we got the 13-inch version, which is supposed to be Apple's thinnest product ever. And it's the 512 gig 13 version M4 with Wi-Fi. Then we got the Space Gray Magic Keyboard and the Apple Pencil Pro. And this is going to be in Space Black. So let's get started.
So, first we're going to open up this.
Bad boy. We're going to put these down. To the side.
Okay.
Leave
now let's
those
open
there.
this.
Actually,
okay, guys.
Hold on, let me do this here. Alright, now the next one. Oh, yeah.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, guys.
Turn it over.
Here we go.
Moment of truth. Here it is.
The iPad Pro Thin Edition.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Apple stickers inside here.
Look at this. Like, come on.
Holy.
Feel this.
It's like a piece.
Oh
my god, it's like a piece of bread.
Like, I feel like I could just go.
It's so small. Okay, we got the charger accessory.
Yep,
and
okay.
we got a cable.
I'm gonna open this here. We got 20-watt power adapter here. Comes in the box. Only the Canadian American models in the EU. It does not come with this. That's EU regulations. And then
Charging cable. The
braided charging cable. It comes in space gray too. Get a load of this. And it's USB-C, of course, only a meter, but I love space gray.
It's still good. Now, let's get into the fun part here. The Apple sticker moments. Okay, so here's the new.
Yeah.
Okay, I think it's still in there. So just instructions. This is just instructions, folks.
Right. Okay.
Where is the Apple sticker? What? We just got scammed. There's no Apple sticker in here. Literally.
Thanks, Apple.
Literally. Look,
So
this is instruction. This is instruction. This is instruction, and this is instruction. Where's the Apple sticker?
So guess what? According to Apple's new initiatives, the new iPad Pro and iPad Air will not come with Apple stickers in the box, according to environment initiatives. I'm done.
What?
You're telling me this is gonna save the environment, not printing Apple stickers?
I guess they're gonna attack the environment one sticker at a time, like,
So,
hello?
there is a loophole here, though. According to a memo found by 9to5Mac that went to all the Apple stores today when the iPad came out, is when you go to pick up your iPad, if you order one or you're buying one in store, if you go in store, not like being delivered to your house, you can ask for Apple stickers and they have them on hand. I asked, and this is what they gave me at the store. I'm a little unimpressed because I thought it would be space gray, and I asked for them, and they said they were trying to look for black Apple stickers. They couldn't find it. This is all they had. So this is what I got.
Rip off.
But like,
Now,
it's confirmed. If you a lot of the employees had no clue what I was talking about. Like, what do you mean Apple stickers? It comes in the box. I'm like, no, it doesn't. And then another employee's like, oh, right, it doesn't. But I don't know if we have some in the back. I'm like, no, you're supposed to. So
now let's get into the thin bread here. Here we go.
I'm just gonna pack this up.
Oh!
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh my.
Just toss this. Wow.
Look at that. Doesn't even feel like normal.
No, it doesn't. Even
How?
the camera bump. Look how thin that camera bump is.
Look at
I don't know
this.
if you can see this, but
It's like a thin bread.
so so thin. Anyways, let's get this powered on here. We're gonna turn this on.
Come on. Give us the big display.
Oh yeah. Boom. Apple
It's on.
logo's in progress. Now, while that's getting powered up, we're gonna take a look at the accessory. Let's start with Apple Pencil.
Let's go Apple Pencil here. Okay. Let's hope this comes with an Apple sticker.
Yeah, Apple Pencil Pro. Oh yeah, and this is the design we got in the box. Here it is.
Just instruction manuals, no Apple sticker because they don't do Apple stickers. What's the difference here?
Okay, it broke on me.
That sucks.
Yeah, whatever. So this is the Apple Pencil. It's still got interchangeable tips, which I was excited about because I bought the package of interchangeable tips, so I like that it has interchangeable tips, so I could still use my other tips that I bought. They sell them for 25 Canadian dollars.
25 for tips?
4 tips. It's an extra package. But I already have them. I've had them for years. I just haven't used them all, so I'm glad that I can still use them on this. This Apple Pencil Pro will only work with the new iPad Pro, and
it's on, folks.
yes, it's on, and the difference is it has a sensor inside, so I can already feel it. It has Taptic Engine, so it vibrates. It has a squeeze mechanism, which I could already feel by doing this. Try that. Squeeze it. Do you feel that vibration
Oh, yeah.
every time you squeeze it?
Oh, yeah. It sounds like clicking.
Yeah, and then when you take it off the iPad, take it off, you're going to feel a vibration. Take it off. Did you feel that?
Oh, yeah.
That's telling it's low battery because it's at 20%. So it's got a Taptic Engine in the top. You can squeeze it and it'll bring up tools. I could feel the vibration here. It's going click, 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 click. I can feel it. And it's still got the double tap for the eraser. But we'll get into that and we'll demonstrate that later on.
Now it's charging.
Now, there was no stickers in here, I'm assuming. Nope. What else is new?
Now, let's
get into the
get into
keyboard.
the keyboard. The keyboard should be the fun part here. Okay. Move that out.
This is completely redesigned and I'm excited for it.
Here we
I've
go.
also never had the Magic Keyboard. I've always had the Smart Keyboard Folio. So. ASMR. Oh yeah. Alright. Let's leave this aside.
Wow.
We're just tossing garbage here. Look at that. Look at this.
What?
Aluminum. Feel that? Just like the iPad. Physical keys. The hinge is redesigned.
It
so
looks like
the port is
a
like,
real computer, though.
except there's nothing going on here. And that's how you. Oh wow, that's a
Is there any cables in here?
tough hinge. I've never had a Magic Keyboard. I've always had the Smart Keyboard Folio because the previous iPad I'm upgrading from is the A12 11-inch 2018 original iPad Pro. But man, this feels weird having a trackpad on here.
The keyboard obviously doesn't come with
function row as well.
the keyboard also doesn't come with an Apple sticker.
Ah, how nice. But
They
must I
suck.
say, smells great. Now,
Does it charge? It looks like it.
it does. So what you can plug it in here on USB-C, or it's got a port right here. Okay. This is like very hard, but there's a port right there, and you could just go, whoop, and it'll charge the iPad right through there. Pretty cool. But let's get this opened up. And let's put this on here. Oh yeah.
Wow.
There you go, folks.
It looks like an actual computer, to be honest.
And it's big too. And you can like, so you can go like this and like use it like this, or you can
English.
tilt it.
Can I go English?
So we're gonna set it up here. You can watch.
Okay, now let's select our region, Canada.
So we're gonna go with the default appearance. Boom. Oh, and this is the second generation Apple Pencil. Watch. Take a look, folks. Well, hold the phone. People said it didn't work. Okay, it's like off, but it sits. It doesn't sit properly, but like it stays. It's not gonna work.
Okay, let's
What about the old one on the 11-inch iPad Pro here?
This is the new one. The new one doesn't even.
Oh, okay, no. It stays, but it's like.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna set up as new.
All right, so here we go. Quick start. It's connecting
over here. Oh, I gotta do this.
Here we go. Connect with the other iPad.
It just asked me which person I'm signing up on because I have multiple accounts.
Enter your password.
Oh, I gotta enter my password. Setting up your new iPad. Let's go. It's finishing.
It may take a few minutes to activate your iPad, so we're gonna do a little fast forward here.
Apple, I'm not impressed. There was a little bit of gunk on my iPad right here. There was like a little line, and there was like a little goo, and I had to like wipe it off. And I guarantee you it was not from our video because it just happened. It wants us to do software updates, so but for the nature of the video, we're gonna do it later. Privacy, we're gonna continue. Oh, I gotta do Face ID. Alrighty then. I'm gonna back up later on, hard backup, because that's what I like to do. Terms and conditions, it is signing me in right now. It does look like a laptop. This can easily pass as a 13-inch MacBook Air if someone's not paying attention. Except it has a touchscreen and a pencil, so there we go. It's asking if I want to share analytics with Apple, and get started. Oh yeah.
Wow. Okay, let me actually try something.
He's dying to try the notes already. So we're gonna demo the notes for you. So it's
and now let's go with
it's also got a gyroscope.
Here we go. Let's go.
I'll demo that in a second.
This is weird. Not bad.
Now I'm gonna demo the. So you can double tap and it switches between your pen and eraser, but that's nothing new. What's new is the squeeze. So watch this. Boom. Eraser. Erase everything. Squeeze again. Let's go to a highlighter right there. We're gonna go blue. And yeah, I already selected my color. And we're gonna make it medium stroke. Now look at that. See that? I'm not touching. But look, it sees me. And watch this. See, I'm turning. It knows which direction I'm turning. That's new with this pencil. It has a gyroscope, so it knows which way you're turning. And you can get close to the iPad without actually touching it. So watch this. Turn, turn, turn. I'm just turning it right now. It's working. I don't know what the hell I just drew. It makes that noise, but it's not actually scratching. Just because it's brand new. So you can also undo here. You can go back and undo all your drawings. Go back. There you go. And we're going to get out the calligrapher. Where is the calligrapher? Here we go. Black. I'm going to sign my name here. That was terrible because I'm doing it on an angle. I'm gonna write Toronto Maple Leafs. Watch this. Yay, I wrote Toronto Maple Leafs. There you go. I don't know what I did. So that's what's new with the pencil.
That seems very cool. Smiley face.
Also, the mouse. Get a load of that.
Not bad.
And then you got the keyboard so you can type whatever you want. Alright, we're going to test out the sound for you. Here you go. Let's go. Wow, it sounds good. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this hideaway. Full blast?
Yeah.
It sounds real good. Nice. So there it is. There you have it, folks. The brand new 2024 M4 13-inch iPad Air with a brand new Magic Keyboard and Apple Pencil.
We give it a certified thumbs up.
Oh yeah, so now we're gonna do a review comparing it to the original iPad 11-inch iPad Pro from 2018. Stay tuned for that video. Don't forget to check it out here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell.
And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Delve into emotion, leave us in this moment.